All right, so it's time to give a quick update here. I've got most of the suspension parts out. Everything's gone. I took out all the fuel lines, brake lines, wiring, pretty much everything that I could unbolt has been unbolted, taken out. So I still have a lot of rivets to pop loose so I can get the giant cross member out. And yeah, making progress. Today I'm going to try to get the rear suspension out of this, get everything unbolted, get that wheeled out of the way, and keep tearing this frame down. Well, that's gone. No turning back now. I do hate having this frame sitting on jack stands, so I think I'm going to weld up a nice big mobile cart. Get a cart made out of some steel welded together, put some nice wheels on it, and then I can roll that thing around. It'll be a lot safer. That's all for today. Final update for the night. Got everything cleaned up. Got this thing stripped down as far as it can go with just bolts, nuts and bolts. Everything else I'm gonna have to grind off. So cross member's got to come out. The transmission cross member, front cab bolts coming off. Rear cab bolts. This whole back frame is going to end up coming off anyway because I'm cutting it all out to widen it and box it in for the battery pack. But rear suspension parts are gone, but the hangers are going to have to. All right, super exciting day today. What do we got back here? We've got our Crown Vic Police Interceptor front suspension. Going to grab this thing, get it pulled out of here, and we'll get it up underneath the F100 and start checking that out, seeing what we got to do to get it in there. Super excited for today. We've got the Crown Vic front suspension. Just picked that up. Going to get that unloaded, get it out of here, and see what we can do to move this into place and keep working on this. Got the frame up on a big rolling cart for safety, and we'll just get this out of here. Oh guys, more goodies. Mustang IRS out of a 2018 Mustang GT. Also got some bucket seats back there, so we'll get this stuff unloaded and should be able to start doing some building here soon.